3D practice project. This 3D practice we need to start in this lecture. When you start any 3D model, from where you need to start? That is very important. This one we will start from base. That is very easy and we can finish quickly. Any 3D model, before creating, you just need to decide which way you need to make this model. Once you see that model, then you calculate in your mind, then you can start and finish. Lot of way you can create this 3D model. I just tell you one way. Once you finish this whole course, after that you will get some idea. You can use your idea and you can make this drawing also, or what I am telling the similar way also you can try to finish this 3D practice. So first we will start from this base. Base dimension, the length is 100 mm, means this x direction, the length is 100 mm, and this is the width. Width you can get from this area. 15, 15, 30, this 30, so total 60 units. And this height is, base height is 15 mm. So just place it like this and go to the box and I click here, make it at the rate, the length is 100, comma, the width is 60, comma, height is 15, enter. Now this base is ready. Now go to copy edges and I click this edge, enter, and I click this point and just place it like this, 10, enter. Means this width is 10. So just go to the press pull and I click this area and we need to make this one 55. Just place it like this, 55, enter. Now we need to make this opening. The opening, this is 20 mm straight portion and here it is opening like this. This one diameter is 30, so radius is 15. So just go to, we cannot make directly the circle. If you use this dynamic UCS, you can directly make the circle, but I like to use UCS. See here, if you want to make any drafting work in this plane, you need to change to right plane. So just click here and make it right. Now you can see it is changed to right. X and Y, that is your working plane. So X and Y, it is your working plane. Just go to the circle and I click this point and just place it like this. Give the value 15, enter. Now select this circle and go to the move command and I click here, place it like this, give the value 20, enter. Now go to the line tool and I click this quadrant and I click to perpendicular. I cancel, go to the line tool, click this quadrant and I just click here, escape. Now go to the trim tool, just click this circle, you can trim like this. If you made this circle and line in exact same plane, definitely you can trim. Otherwise, if you got any struggle to trim, definitely the lines and circle not made exact proper plane. Now just go to the press pull and I click this face and I just move my mouse like this and I click like this. Okay, now we don't want these things, so just select like this and I delete it. Now we need to make this slot. You can see this slot length is 30 and the width is 10. So just go to the rectangle. Before creating rectangle, we need to change UCS. Just go here, make UCS in top. So you will get it X and Y, it is in top plane. So now just go to the rectangle and I click here and go to the dimension. The length is 30, enter. The width is 10, enter, and just click here like this. Now go to the fillet. We have fillet tool and here it is fillet tool. Make the radius 5, enter. Select here polyline and select this polyline. Now it is ready. Select this one and go to the move command. Click this endpoint, place it in exactly this midpoint. Now it is placed. So just select like this, and go to the move command. Just click here, make it 10, enter. Now it is moved from this point to this point, it is 10 mm. Now we need to place the next slot also. So just select like this and go to the copy command and I click this endpoint, shift right click, go to the from, just select this from and I click this endpoint and just place it like this, give the value 10, enter. Now you can see we placed like this exactly. Go to the press pull and I select this face and I select here multiple option and I select this face also and enter. Just move your mouse downside like this and click here. Now you can see you got the slot like this. Press shift in your keyboard and press the mouse center button. You can make orbit like this or you can use this orbit also. You can see like this. Now I select this one and delete it. Now it is ready. We need to make this cutting also, this two side cutting. For that just select here top and select here wireframe and go to the arc. Select this start end radius and this is the start point and the end point. The radius is here you can see the radius is 120. So just make the radius 120, enter. Now these both are ready. You can use next mirror. You can use mirror command, 3D mirror command also you can use, or 2D mirror what we done before, the same mirror command also you can use here. For that just MI in your keyboard, type MI in your keyboard, enter and select this one, enter and just click this midpoint and just place it like this, enter. Now it is ready and go to the southeast isometric and here it is, both are ready. Go to realistic and go to the press pull, select this area and go to the multiple and select this area also, enter and you can see now you can move like this and I just place it like this and click here. Now you can see two side you got these things. I don't want this arc, I just select like this and delete it. So now we created this 3D model. Create dimension in 3D model. 3D model dimensioning UCS is very important. You can use this face option and you can place it where you need. You can place it your UCS and you can make dimensioning. That is one method. Or you can place your UCS which side you require. You can select the side, left side, right side. You can select any one and just click this one origin and you can place it wherever you want. That is another method. Now I just select here top. Now you can see your UCS is changed to top X and Y and I click this origin and I place it here. Now you can see your X and Y, it is in top, Z direction it is in vertical. Now I go to the annotate and I click here, select this align and I click this point and I click this point. Now you can make dimension like this. Like that all the top plane dimension we will make now. Now I go to home again and I click this origin. Now we need to make dimension this top. So I just go to the annotate and go to the align, click this point and click this point. You can place it this dimension. Now we can make these dimensions. You can double enter and you can select this line. You can place it like this, or you can click this 2 point. You can place it like this. Just go near to this point and shift right click, you will get it endpoint. If you go to the endpoint, you can make endpoint or select this one. Just click here, go near to this grip, you will get it continue option. That is very better option, and you can make like this and cancel. Now it is ready. Now this top dimension we finished. We need to make this top dimension, or we can make this dimension also. Better we can make top dimension, that is very better. So just go to home, click this 3 point, you can place it here. So your x and y, it is like this. Now we need to make this dimension, it is 10 mm. So just go to the annotate and align, click this midpoint, exactly this midpoint and this midpoint. Okay, now you can place it this 10. Select this 10 and just go near to these grips, you will get it the option like this. Select this continue dimension and click this midpoint, click this midpoint and click this midpoint, click this point. Now it is ready. So this dimension also finished, and we need to make this 10 dimension. Just go to the align and click this point and click this point, and you can place it like this. So all the top dimensions we placed. Now we need to make this right side dimension. So just go here, and here I just switch on this navigation is ready. Now go to select here right. Right, you can see x and y, it is like this. Now I just click this one and I place it like this. Now you can make dimension these dimensions. So I just go to the linear, sorry, outline, and I click this point and I click this point. You can place it wherever you want. Similar way, you can make these dimensions also. And here it is the straight portion. This is the end point and this is the end point. You can place it here like this, and this is the first end point, second end point, and you can place it like this. And if you need to make dimension here, just go to the origin and I place it like this, and go to align, click this point and click this point. You can place it like this somewhere else. So now it is ready. This dimension, everything is ready. Now we need to make only one more dimension, this one and the radius. Just go to the align, enter, and I click this line. For that, just move this one here. That is better. And go to annotate and go to the align, enter, select this line, and you can place it like this. So very important, when you make 3D dimension, the UCS movement is very important. Just go to the, now we need to make this radius in top plane. So just change the top plane, and here it is in right plane, so we need to change that one to top plane. So I just go to the top. Now you can see x and y, it is in top. Now if you made top, select this one and place it somewhere else here. That is better. So now go to annotate and I just select here, go to radius, select this radius and you can place it like this. Similar way, just you can make like this and go to radius and I click here, you can place it like this. So now we finished our 3D model and 3D dimensioning. Arrange drawing inside a layout. Already we created a title block this A3 same title block I am going to use here also. And before that, this one we don't want, so I just select and delete it. We need this one only, so I just double click here, zoom and extend. This one we are going to arrange inside layout. If you go to the layout, by default you will get it like this, but we don't want this one. I just select and delete it. Now go to the layout, page setup manager, and go to the modify, select here which printer you want, and I select here ISO full bleed E3 420 into 297. Other all the thing keep as it is, and I change here monochrome and okay, and here it is okay, everything is okay, so simply close. Now go to this title block, Control Shift C, and I click this corner, enter, select this one, enter, and go to this view and Control V, 0, 0, enter. Now it is placed exactly inside this printable area. Now go to the layout. Here we have option base view. Select this base view, and here it is the base view, it is ready. So now where you want you can place it your base view. I just place it here, and if you enter again you can make another view also, so I just place it another view, and I place it another view, again enter. Now all the views are ready. Similar way you can make projected view also. We need the 3D view. 3D view you can use this projected view. If you select this projected view you can make the 3D view, but this type of 3D view if you made means you can just click here and cancel. Sorry, I just go to the projected view, select this one and just click here and enter. So now it is ready, but in this way if you made means what we made the dimensions, that dimensions you never get here. So if you need the dimensions also, so just use, go to the rectangle option, select this rectangle option, and I just click like this, the dimension is ready we have. So select this one, and which scale you want you can make changes in the scale. I click here and I crop like this, and this also how you need you can crop and place it like this. And this one style, visual style, if you want to change, double click here and select, double click here, you can see the style you can see, and I just click here which style you want you can select, and hidden or conceptual or shaded with gray, like that a lot of options available. Which options you want you can select using this one, and double click outside, it is ready. Now you will get it the dimensions and other all the views. So this is the way you can arrange 3D model drawing inside layout. Add dimension and text. Before adding dimension, just go to annotate, create your dimension style. Already you know about that one. So just directly go to linear, and we will make dimension here. Just click this point and click this point and click here. Again double enter and select this line. You can make like this dimension. Enter, double enter and select this line, and you can place it like this. Double enter, you can place it like this dimension. So this one, this much dimension is more than enough. And here just double click and you can place it like this. Select this dimension, click here, go to the continue, and you can make continue like this and cancel. Now go to linear again, click this point and click this point, you can place it like this, or you can use double enter, select this line and you can place it like this dimension. and other all the things already available here. If you want, you can make this total dimension, double enter, and you can make this total dimension also. And here also, if you need this total dimension, you can make like this total dimension. And this top view, we need to make this slot dimension. So just click this point and click this point, and you can place it like this. Select this one, go near to the scripts, go to continue dimension, and click this point like this, and like this. Cancel. So just go near to these grips, continue, and you can make this dimension also. This is more than enough. And if you need to make this radius and this dimension also, you can make that one. Just go to the linear, then click this point, you can make like this. And here we have the radius. Select this one and you can make the radius dimension. And if you need to place this one inside, you can just place it inside or outside, wherever you want you can place it. Select these all the dimensions, and or you can use stretch command also. Just yes, enter, and you can just select all the dimensions. You can make like this. That is very easiest way. And other all the thing, it is ready. So similar way, this 120, if you want to make, you can make here also, otherwise no need. So all the dimensions we made. And here I used, if you go to right click and drafting standard setup, I used here first angle projection. Some companies will use that angle projection. Which angle projection you are using, that you need to confirm. Here I used first angle projection. This is elevation view, and this is side view, and here it is bottom view. So I just see from here, you will get it from bottom, you will get it like this view. So that one we need to make the text. Here we have the text style manager. You can make your text style manager, other all the things just you can keep as it is. And cancel, go to the single line text, and I click here, and the text height you can keep it in 2.5, enter. Rotation is 0. So this view is elevation view. And just click here, this is side view, and this is bottom view. And double enter, you will get it like this. Double click, control U, same thing, select this one, control U, and select this one, make it control U. So now all the things, text and dimensions, everything we made. And if you want, you can make here also in your title block, you can make job number, drawing number, project number, drawing title, everything you need to make properly. What is the scale we used in this drawing, and the revision, everything if you made. And here also, what is a revision date, description, it is for approval or construction, and who is the drawn, who is the approval, everything you need to fill it in your title block. Then you can plot your drawings. So now for the plot, you can use this one, or you can use control P. So I just click here, and other all the things already we said, ISO full bleed and layout, monochrome, everything we fixed already. So if you go to the preview, you will get it the proper view like this. So now I just plot, and I just place it in desktop and go to the save. Now we can see what we plot, the drawing, it is available like this.